Problem 12. An ideal engine extracts some heat from hot reservoir while operates between two temperatures. The work from the engine goes into an ideal refrigerator which extracts this amount of heat from cold reservoir. Find the coefficient of performance. Okay, for a ideal engine, we can write this formula. This is for any engine, but if we bring this efficiency for an ideal Carnot engine, we can easily calculate W, the work done by this engine. Now we use this W as an input work for a refrigerator, so we can write easily the K, coefficient of performance, QC dividing by Q by W input, and we have everything. Just plug in and we will get the correct answer.